Now I want you to turn to pages 4 and 5 in your workbooks. In addition to the vocabulary words, there are some words that you need to know to be able to understand this passage. The first word is mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded animals with fur that deliver their young. The second word is energy. Energy is the strength to work or be active. The third word is mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are small flying insects that suck blood from animals. Another type of insect is a termite. It is a small insect that eats wood. Another word that you need to know is echoes. Echoes means repeats a sound. And finally, the word chemicals. Chemicals are substances that are not natural. In other words, they're usually man-made. Let's preview the passage before we read. Remember that there are several different types of text features, such as the title, the headings, the pictures, the captions, the bold text, the highlighted text, and the marginal information. Our title is Batty About Bats. To be batty about something means you are very interested in it. Text features provide information about text before reading. Often, text features can help readers identify the topic, which is the subject of the passage. What is the topic of this passage? Let's go for a picture walk. The title page has a great photo of a bat about to eat a butterfly. Look at the size of its wings compared with its body. Its wings almost look transparent or see-through. Remember that transparent is the opposite of the word opaque. Listen as I read the captions for the other pictures. The Mariana's flying fox eats fruit. That is an interesting picture. I didn't know that bats eat fruit. Let's drop down to the next picture. Listen. A vampire bat goes for a walk. I wonder why the word walk is in quotation marks. Can bats really walk? Where are its wings? Let's look at the headings. What do you predict you will learn about in this passage? Let me give you an example. Because the first heading says flying and feeding, I think we will learn something about what bats eat. Now, turn to your partner and share your predictions about what you will learn in this section. Now, I want you to hold your hand on pages 4 and 5, but I want you to flip back to page 1. I want you to look over the questions at the bottom of the page. Under Reading for a Purpose, is a bat a mammal? Are all bats bug eaters? Are bats blind? Are bats able to see with sound? Are colonies where bats live? Are bats helpful to farmers? Are bats in danger? You will learn the answers to these questions in the passage. This will help provide a focus for reading as the questions identify the important facts and concepts found within the text. So as we read, I want you to look for the answers to these questions. Now it's time to read. I want you to follow along with your eyes and your pencil eraser. Watch the words and use your pencil eraser while the text is read to you. Why? Your brain likes to detect patterns in words. While the text is being read to you, your brain is hard at work detecting patterns and making meaning while your eyes are on the text and your eraser tracks the words. Let's review. Where are your eyes while the text is read? Where is your pencil? Eyes on text, pencil on words. Let's begin. While listening, think about our two big idea questions. How are bats helpful to humans or useful to humans? And how are humans impacting bats? Let's begin. Follow along with your pencil eraser as the text is read aloud.